Hi there. Last night I received my Archer and Olive subscription box for December, and I have to say I'm so excited. It says cottage comfort, and the sentiment here is so perfect. I'm all about cozy, and so this is speaking my language and my style. I was gonna wait to unbox it until I could unbox it with you. I did cheat a little, like opening your Christmas present early and then rewrapping it. Not all of the things, but in here I did unwrap the plastic and I took a peek at the journals. So I'd like to show you what's in the box and kind of experiment and test out the goodies. Now for the unboxing. Cottage comfort. I love the sentiment. Embrace the serene charm and let the warmth and tranquility of folk design uplift your creativity during the dark winter evenings. Step inside our cozy cottage featuring beautifully crafted stationery inspired by knits and vibrant threads to bring a touch of warm elegance to your journaling experience. Archer and Olive, you've done it again. I love this pattern. Okay, here it is, the unveiling. It says what's inside on this with this beautiful pattern. And I'm not going to read through this because I'm going to show you as we go. And I'm going to start with the journals. Now, you know I've already got a sneak peek with these. And so I'm going to show you this first. Look at that. There's such a shimmer. Now, both of these journals, there's two that come in this box, are dotted journals with the wonderful paper used, thick, with tons of possibilities. So I just love this pattern and then the shimmer here. This is going to be a favorite of mine, I'm sure. The other journal is bigger. It's square. I'm really liking the square shaped journals these days. So I'm looking forward to doing more in the square journals. Oh, I forgot to put the band back on. You see that I took a look ahead of time. This one looks like a knitted sweater. It has a cool spine with the tree there. Now, I have to admit, I'm not a knitter. And so maybe this pattern, I would say, I don't like quite as well as this, but they go really nicely together. And this paper, once again, is beautiful, as Archer and Olive does so well. Okay, looks like wintry warmth here. So I'll put these to the side there. And then here, what's in here? Oh, this is the stamp set. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Oh, look, it echoes it's part of this pattern here. Oh, I love it. Oh, what possibilities. And I'm glad they included this little house. Okay, it looks cozy and homey. That's going to be great. So then it makes me think, okay, these are flat. What else is in here? Oh, ink pads. So this says block and ink pad. So because this goes with this, I'm going to open this next. Now, I've seen people do this super carefully, and I'm not going to do that. So there, messy me. Oh, look, the ink pad. And then, oh, and then this block. So I peel this off and then can stick these on and use them. I've really liked the blocks and pads I've got from Archer and Olive in the past. So I'm looking forward to this. May have to test this out. This is new. I've never seen Archer and Olive use this. I didn't take the plastic off this, as you can see. So I will test that, but finish unboxing. How about the pens? Okay, gonna cut this here and have these pins. Oh, they go perfect. That's what I love about these. Oh, and they have the names of them I'll put on there. Oh, just look. Okay. Wow. Look at the coordination of these things. And then with this too. Okay, this I think is a really good box. I can use all of these things and they go so beautifully together. May as well take this off while I'm here. There we go. Oh, you guys, look. And then this. Okay. Man, there's some beautiful journaling in store, I can tell. Okay, now what's in these other boxes? Woohoo! This looks like washi tape. It is tape, and oh my, oh my, oh my. Okay, I'm very excited because I love things that coordinate so well. And look, I'm gonna drop these all. Trying to show all the stuff, all the goodies. This is so perfect. This one here, and these little houses. Oh wow! I think I'm going to use these like bullet points. So if I cut one of these up and then right there, and then with the pins, have the oops, getting so excited I'm dropping things. Coordinating. Oh my goodness. I have that fluttery feeling. Okay. Now, what else is in here? This is a bookmark. Oh, it's embroidered to go along with the threads theme. Oh, that's pretty. I think I will use this. Oh, it's so nice. Okay. Very embroidered there. And of course the packaging is lovely. What are these? These are vegan leather stickers. I don't think I've ever seen those before. Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, comfort zone. Of course, I love that. So comfort zone, cozy at home. That's me. Oh, okay. Well, these are better than I thought when I saw this. Oh, there's one more. Oh, the birdie. I love birds. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, I bet these are there stickers so they can go on things like even another type of journal. If I want to cover up a logo or something. I'm not sure what I'll use these for, but they really are nice and they feel very leathery. They're thick enough, but not too thick. Ooh, okay. I'm really liking this box. And this is a paper punch. I've seen people be so careful to open these. I just don't have that kind of patience for the most part. Oh, it's a corner with a tulip. Okay, let me get a piece of paper here. Have this floating around my desk. If I put this in here, oh my goodness, you guys look. How cool is that? Oh, and how wonderful that I'm going to do something really beautiful, I can tell, and they've made it easy. All right, so I've unboxed everything. Okay, I have my notepad out here, and I'm going to test these out. I'm very excited about this here, so I'm going to start with the stamps, and this comes where you peel off the backing here. There. And there's that, nice and clean. And I think I'm going to pick the tulip-like flower right here. Stick that on there, and then let's try a couple of colors. Doing this here, and then I'm going to actually blend some on the end, just right here. Okay. And I could do the same thing on the leaves, but I'm just going to go with this kind of gray. Okay, let's try it. Try that here. That looks good. Clean that off. And I'm looking forward to experimenting more with these. And then how about the pens? Let's see, I have the colors here. This is. I already shook these up, so they're the paint should be mostly down. This would be cozy gray. This would also look really good on a dark paper. Okay. And then we have, let's see, Dutch blue. And they say this is cerulean. Doesn't look like cerulean to me, but that's what the name is. Let's see if I can spell it. I do like that color. For me, it's kind of like a denim. And this red herring, orange red, that's a great color. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, and the last one is vanilla cream. I wonder how that will show up on the paper. Oh, it actually does. It would show up good on a dark paper too. Okay, so those are the colors, and I like how they coordinate. Now here, I'm going to put some of this washi tape on here so you can see. It can either be a running pattern or kind of an isolated pattern, which I think I'll cut and put on here. Their washi tape is very nice thickness. I like that. Okay, so that's there. And of course, I like how it lines up on the dots. Oh, this is kind of interesting. This one, these have little hearts like this. Here, I'll just put that there. There. And then these houses, like I said, I like these because I think I will use them as bullet points. If I could find the end here, here it is. But I'll just put it here for now. I'll have to cut off that edge because I'm picky in that way. And put a little lineup, a little neighborhood. Cozy. Perfect. Okay. And then we have these hearts. There's lots of uses for this, like that thickness of tape. Hands are kind of shaky this morning. I think it was the 2 cups of coffee. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna play around more with the stamps on here and the pens, but I wanted to see how the punch worked. I did it on a square. What about on the curve? How will it work on that? Let's see. So I put this in the whole way, press it down. Oh, look, it works on the curve. So any pages in the journals can be like that. Oh, I love it. Yay. Thank you, Archer and Olive. What a great subscription box. I need to box it back in. Let's see. So there's the 8x8 square dotted journal. There's the A5 dotted journal. There's these. There's, let's see, these here, and I'll put them back in the box. The block with the stamps that come in this packet. I'll put those in there. The paper punch, the bookmark, and the vegan leather stickers, and the 4 rolls of beautiful washi tape. Okay, I am so thrilled. Christmas came early. Thank you, Archer and Olive.